Oh, I love roller coasters. This is so thrilling.
Yeah, I'm thrilled.
You actually look a little terrified.
I'm not. Roller coasters aren't terrifying at all. In fact, I'm completely relaxed.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Maybe just a little overwhelmed.
So let's try something that's not so overwhelming. Want to ride the Ferris wheel? They are quite relaxing.
No, those are boring, and we didn't come here to be bored. Ooh, a house of mirrors. Are you interested to try it?
Sure, it looks interesting. Let's go. Which way should I go? I'm so confused. Ow! That was embarrassing.
And entertaining.
Ugh, boys are so annoying.
Don't be worried. You'll find the exit. Eventually.
I'm not worried. I'm just frustrated. Ow!
You made it! I'm surprised you made it out so fast.
Don't sound so amused. Now, let's try something that's not so frustrating.
Okay, let's play some games. They can be pretty entertaining.
Want to play the basketball game?
Ooh, I'm tempted. But they are supposed to be really challenging.
True, I would be shocked if you can make a shot.
I'm insulted. Okay, ready to be amazed?
Oh, I'm sure it will be amazing.
Yes, you look surprised.
That was actually pretty surprising and amazing. Nice shot.
Thanks. Here you go. This is for you.
Really? That's so touching. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, do you think we should leave now? It's getting late and I'm pretty tired.
Yes, it was a tiring day, but also very entertaining. Let's come back next weekend.